Welcome to our channel, hope you enjoy the video and can benefit from it too. Did you know that beetroots are a rich source of numerous nutrients? They contain carbs which are crucial for giving the body energy. Beetroots also contain vitamins A, B, and C, folate, iron, calcium, manganese, and potassium. Vitamin C has plenty of antioxidants which help to boost your immune system. Folate vitamin B helps with healthy tissue growth and cell function, making it very good for pregnant women. Iron helps with many important functions in the body. Calcium is very important for healthy and strong bones. Manganese helps with metabolism, and potassium helps lower blood pressure and protects the heart from diseases. This is why it's very important to consume beetroot juice on a regular basis, which will help you lower your blood pressure and protect your heart. According to a study, some participants lowered their blood pressure 3 hours after drinking 17 ounces of beetroot juice, which also lasted about 24 hours. Raw beetroot is rich in nitrate, NO3, which the body turns into biologically active nitrite, NO2, and nitric oxide, NO, when needed. Nitric oxide is a key molecule which produces that helps the communication of 100 trillion cells by transmitting signals throughout the entire body. The nitrates in beetroot juice help lower the uptake of oxygen, making exercise less tiring after you do an aerobic workout. The amazing beetroot juice helps boost energy levels in the body and stamina. 5 to 6 medium-sized raw beetroots. 1 lemon with peel, cut off both ends. 1 inch of ginger root. All you have to do is, after washing the ingredients, cut them into small pieces, put them into a blender and mix all the ingredients, and then pour the juice into a pitcher and enjoy. Try to drink a glass of this excellent juice daily, to help with muscle inflammation and help to boost your stamina. Hope you enjoy this drink. Please let us know in the comments below.